Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bolt app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Bolt app and you will click. In this list, here of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.